You guys, before I even show you this, you have no idea how great these already look. I'm so excited. As a food photographer, I have a wide variety of backdrops. From custom ordered backdrops to vinyl backdrops to even peel and stick tiles stuck onto MDF boards. I just love the variety because I'm able to build better worlds around every one of my scenes. So back in April this year, I had a client project where I needed custom colored backdrops, and Barbara, the owner of Best Ever Backdrops, came in so clutch and was able to get my backdrops right in time before the project, and they turned out incredible. So when she reached out to me early this summer and asked, "Do you want to create a custom backdrop collection?" I was like, "I'm sorry, yes, I would love to." And so we got on a call where we talked through my dreams and aspirations for this collection. And so I spent time putting together a mood board of the look and feel I wanted these backdrops to have. I wanted something that was bright and colorful that exuded a sense of joy. Mail's here. Now it is the moment of truth. Our backdrops have just arrived, and I'm about to see them for the very first time. There's another layer. The complete collection has a total of 8 individual textures featured in 2 groups. And the first one is vibrant tiles, which includes a white tile, a yellow tile, a purple, and a green tile. I just love how varied and unique the tiles look across this grouping. Then our second group is colorful textures, which includes a red texture, a ruby pink, beautiful blue sky texture, and a deep blue one. All are named after various food items to keep on theme, you know? I guess the only thing left to do is to try them out. There are a lot of reasons as to why I wanted to work with Best Ever Backdrops on this collab. If you're a beginner photographer taking photos out of your kitchen or spare bedroom, the sizes are perfectly compact and also large enough to capture a wide variety of scenes. The versatility is amazing. I also love how real the textures look. I have used a number of backdrops in the past where the glare is unbearable or the textures just look fake. I've found that these Best Ever backdrops have such a vibrant color and hue and almost no glare, which makes post-editing so much easier. And they're also waterproof, so in the case where you might be spilling anything, which may or may not occur a lot, don't judge me, and they are stain resistant too, so anything that sticks can be wiped up easy peasy. I love how lightweight and portable they are. About half of all my photo shoots are on location, so having quality backdrops I can easily pack away in the car and use on set is a real game changer. And the best part is that these backdrops are not just for food photographers. From product photographers, lifestyle, beauty and fashion, there are a wide variety of folks who are able to utilize these backdrops. I'm always trying to find unique backdrops that will help my images stand out against the crowd, and these Best Ever backdrops allow me to do just that. And we're all done with our photo shoots, so let's take a look at some of those images. I just love how vibrant and fun each scene looks, and it's all thanks to these Best Ever backdrops. If you're interested in buying one or all of these backgrounds, I'll have links in the description below. And if you use the code CAPTURES15 at checkout, you can save up to 15% on your order. So subscribe if you like, comment if you're nasty, and until we speak again, shine on.